Hi guys, Seth here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a set of the Olympus S-Range binoculars that I got from Amazon. So this is a full-size binocular. It's got an 8x magnification over a 40mm objective lens. So I've taken some close-up pictures on the mat as I usually do, but what better way to test them is to get out there and see what kind of image I can get through these things. So I'll be putting these through the paces over the next few days. Once I've done that, I'll let you know my thoughts in the main review. So that's me out on location using the 8x40S. So all in all, it's got good magnification, plenty of light getting in through the objective lens, and I've taken a couple of static shots and a little bit of footage as well. So I'm going to check the footage and then I'll add this into the review when I'm done. Well, as a full-size binocular, I'm happy with that because I've got quite large hands, so I found the grip comfortable during normal use. They are a little bit weighty, but that's to be expected of a full-size binocular. So yeah, I'm more than happy with that. Well, I hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching as always, and I will see you on the next one.